guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing the Jigsaw makeup, very requested makeup. Thumbs up and subscribe in this button right here to don't miss any of my tutorials, and let's get started with this one. Okay, we're gonna be starting by creating the white base. I'm gonna mix face white paint and dissolvent, and I'm gonna be applying everywhere you're showing skin. Set it with translucent powder and start with the eyes. I'm gonna create a black base with a cream product all over my lid, blending really nice, and also dabbing a little bit on the bottom lash line. Set it with the black matte eyeshadow, and if you're doing the male version, bring this combination all the way up until the eyebrow. Apply a red matte eyeshadow around the black eyeshadow. We're gonna be using this black eyeshadow to intensify the eyebrows. If you're doing the male version, just skip this step. Intensify the red around the black with a cream red product. And intensify the bottom part of the eyebrow with a black cream product. To create the spiral effect on the cheeks, I'm gonna be using a red pencil, which is easier to control. And to know where to draw this design, get the center of the spiral just above the end of your eye. And then we can intensify the white of this spiral area. Apply the red product on the lips, creating a shape that is thinner on the outer corners. And if you're doing the male version, elongate these corners much more than I'm doing on the video. To create the dull effect on your chin, create two lines from the corners of your lips all the way down and blend them to create volume. For the volume of the cheeks, I'm gonna create shadows on the hollows of the cheeks and also around the spiral and blend it well. Add some shadows on the forehead on top of the eyebrows and start with highlighting. Concentrate on the bridge of the nose and the outer part of the cheekbones. Give the final shadow details as I'm doing on the video. Now it's time to prepare a costume. Add some white shirts, a black blazer, and a red bow tie, and you're done. For intensity, I'm gonna be adding red contact lens, and we are done. This is the Jigsaw from the Saw movies. Well guys, I hope you liked this tutorial. Thumbs up if you liked it, and remember you can follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and also you can request any makeup that you want to see on the channel. So thanks so much for spending some time with me. Be happy and see you next one. Mwah!